So you want to know how you can make some extra money? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you how you can make some extra money, but I need you to be patient. Just wait a few minutes. Besides, this video is only gonna be about maybe 8 to 10 minutes long, and all you gotta do is wait about 2 to 3 minutes. Welcome to the Garage, hosted by myself, Mr. Hollandist, and my spirited sidekick friend right here named Bone. This channel is your go-to for truth, practical advice, and empowering knowledge, all delivered with a little humor. Me and Bone bring a wealth of wisdom and credibility, while Bone tries to keep things lively. We break down complex ideas into simple, actionable steps with a little bit of laughter along the way. Whether you're looking for self-improvement tips or some life-changing insights or just to have a good time, we've got you covered. So, I know you want to talk about that money, and for the last couple of videos, I've been talking about the money first. I'm not going to talk about the money first. You got to wait. Have some patience. What I am going to talk about right now is 811. 811 is a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you dig. That's right. It's a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you dig. And you're probably saying, why is that important? Uh, It is actually the law to call 811 before you did. Yeah, it's the law. Um, and the reason why you call 811 is to find out where your underground utilities are, such as your phone lines, gas lines, cable TV lines, electrical lines, water lines. You need to know where that stuff is before you do any type of digging. Now, if you're confused about what 811 is, or you don't know too much about underground utilities, I got a better idea for you. This is what you can do. You can reach out to a company called Ground Vision. That's right. What I want you to do is email Ground Vision, and they will answer any questions that you may have about 811 or underground utilities. Ground Vision email address is groundvisioninc at gmail.com. I'm going to say it again. It is groundvisioninc at gmail.com. So email Ground Vision and they will answer any questions that you have about 811, underground utilities, all that good stuff. Now, do you want to talk about the money? All right, let's talk about the money. Oh, yeah. You want to talk about the money too. All right. So a while ago, I had reached out to Bone right here, and I was like, "Look, Bone, we got to figure out a way to make some extra money without physically having to do something all the time." That's right, extra money without physically going to have to always go to a job, clock in, all that stuff. Sometimes you want to figure out how you can make some extra money by just sitting still. You don't have to do something all the time. So this is what Bone came up with, and it was a great idea. So now I'm sharing it with you. It's called a virtual dispensary. That's right, a virtual dispensary. Oh, you excited, huh? Yeah, virtual dispensary. So yes, that's what we have. I am a virtual dispensary owner, and so is he. Only problem with him is he act more like a customer. But to each his own, to each his own. So I'm gonna tell you some of the advantages of owning a virtual dispensary. But before I tell you the advantages of owning a virtual dispensary, I'm gonna tell you some of the advantages of being a customer like him. Think about this. If you're a customer of a virtual dispensary, you can order your products 24 hours, 7 days a week, at any time, from any place. Think about that. You can order 24 hours, 7 days a week from anywhere, wherever you are. I don't care. You can be at home. You can be at the grocery store. You can be at the library. Oh, you know what? You can be at church. That's right. You can be at church listening to the pastor or the priest uh do his sermon, and you can be ordering your products right from your very phone while you sitting there listening to the word. Yes, I said that. But yes, you can order from anywhere and you can have it sent anywhere. You can have it sent to your address. Think about this. You can send it to somebody as a gift if you're a customer. Think about that. But yeah, you can order from anywhere. And think about this. No face-to-face interaction, people. No face-to-face interaction. That means you don't have to see nobody. That means if you that doctor, that lawyer, that politician, that's not even a word. That politician or even the elementary school teacher, yes, you can order it and won't nobody know. And you can get high. Hey, but let me tell you this also. Let me share this with you. It's not always about getting high now. What about pain management? There are people who are in pain where they need to try something different besides pills. Try use some cannabis products. Come on now, no face-to-face interaction. And you can send it anywhere. I mean, think about this. You could be going from California to Florida, and you ain't got to take it through no airport. Guess what? You can just send it to wherever you stand, long as you know the address. And when you get down to Florida, party hard, people. You can party hard. A virtual dispensary. Now, let's talk about if you have a virtual dispensary and you're the owner like me. See, I'm a owner. I'm a owner. Like I said, he's a customer and an owner, but he act more like a customer. I'm a owner. Think about this. No overhead costs. No overhead costs. You don't have to worry about paying the utilities that month. You don't have to worry about the lease or the rent for that month. You don't have to worry about having security. You don't have to worry about having a alarm system. There's no overhead costs. Come on, wake up. I'm trying to help you make some money. Wake up. So yes, no overhead costs. And the biggest caveat may be increased reach. And you're wondering, what is increased reach? That means anybody from all over the world can buy your product. They don't have to show up at your store because you don't have a storefront. You have a virtual dispensary. So anybody can order all over. People can order from all over the world and you can make some money. I'm trying to help you out. People can order from all over the world and you can make some money. Increased reach. So now, do you want to own your own virtual dispensary? Do I got your attention now? I hope so. I'm going to tell you what you have to do. All you have to do is email Bone. That's what I said. You got to email Bone. You're going to email him because he got to make sure you're of age and all that, that extra stuff and make sure you're a real person. You're going to email Bone at thegorage@gmail.com. I'm going to say it again. You're going to email him at thegorage@gmail.com. And yes, I'm going to spell it for you. That is TheGorauge. Once again, TheGorauge. TheGorage@gmail.com. That's all you got to do. Email Bone, and you will be on your way to owning your own virtual dispensary. Now, don't say I didn't help you out. Moving on. So, some of the other things that me and Bone talk about, we have what we call the table of truth, and we also have what we call health tips to die by from Bone. And I'm gonna just give you like two or three of his health tips. Yeah, health tips to die by from Bone. One of his health tips is sleep. Who needs sleep? You can just look like him. You can party hard, live on caffeine, and guess what? You be on your way to a brittle thing like him in no time. The other thing is you can do is you can just eat junk food all day. That's right, eat junk food. Processed snacks, candy, sodas. Man, have that. That's what he does. And his last health tip to die by is live a couch potato life. Who needs exercise? Why exercise? Why do that? Hmm. Anyway, I wouldn't listen to him. But yeah, those are some of his health tips to die by. All right, before I let you go, we're not going to do the table of truth. I'm not going to bring nobody to the table of truth today, even though there's a couple people I do want to bring to the table of truth. Um, but we'll wait on that. But I am going to end with this. We call this Let's Help Each Other. That's right. Let's help each other. And it's real simple, people. It's real simple, people. I'm going to help you, and you going to help me. And this is how. What you're going to do is whatever it is that you sell, whatever it is that you're trying to promote, whatever it is that you want people to know about, guess what? You're going to email the garage at gmail.com, and me and Bone are going to share right here on this channel. We're going to talk about it. We're going to promote it. We're going to let people know what it is you're selling, what you're selling. We're going to let them know who you are. That is how we're going to help you out. And in return, all I want you to do is like this channel, share this channel with somebody, or if you don't even want to do or subscribe, or if you don't want to do none of that, just at least tell somebody about it. Can you at least just tell somebody about it? That's how we help each other. That's how we help each other. You gonna say anything before we leave, or you just gonna look crazy? But yeah, say something, man. Say something for the people. Say something. Hey, there it is.